Good morning, students. Today we will learn how to solve an assignment problem for minimization. The assignment problem will solve in general for minimization. Now we have a problem here. We have a cost matrix. Here the number of person are first, second, third and fourth, and the number of jobs are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 person and 4 jobs, and the effective cost matrix are given. Now we will solve this assignment problem. Now in step 1 we subtract the smallest element of each row from every element of the corresponding row. That is, if we look in the first row, the smallest element is 12. Now the 12 is subtract from the first row. We will get 0, 18, 9 and 3. Now in the second row, the smallest element is 9. So we subtract 9 from the second row. Now we get 9, 24, 0 and 22. Now in third row, the smallest element is 21. So we subtract 21 from the third row. Now we will get 23, 4, 3, 0. Now in fourth row, the smallest element is 14. So we subtract 14 from the fourth row. Now we have 9, 16, 14 and 0. Now in step 2, we operate the column operation in step 1 table. We subtract the smallest element of each column from every element of the corresponding column. Now the table of step 1 is given. Here in the first column, the smallest element is 0. So we subtract 0 from the first column. We get same entries 0, 9, 23 and 9. Now in the second column, the smallest element is 4. So we subtract 4 from the second column. Now 18 minus 4 is 14, 24 minus 4 is 20, 4 minus 4 is 0 and 16 minus 4 is 12. Now in the third column of step 1 table, the 0 is the smallest element. So we subtract 0 from the third column. We get same entries. In fourth column, the 0 is the smallest element. So we subtract 0 from the fourth column. We get same entries. Now, how do we assign the allocations? Now first we choose those rows who have minimum 0. In this table, every row have single 0 other than third row, except third row. Third row has 2 0. So we take the first row, either second row or fourth row. Here we assigned the assignment in this 0. Now if this row contain any 0, we cancel it, and the column have any 0, then it is also cancelled. Now in the second row there is only one 0, so we assigned this 0 as assignment. The corresponding column have not more 0, and the corresponding row is also not have any other 0. If they have, be cancelled out. Now the fourth row have only one 0, so we assigned it. Now look at this, the corresponding column of this assignment, this 0 is cancelled, and in the row there are no 0. Now we see that in the third row there are only one 0, so we will give this 0 as an assignment. Now all 0 are covered, either they have an assignment or cancelled. The all 0 are covered. Now we have 4 assignment, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the problem is 4 by 4, that is the number of person are 4 and number of job are 4, and we have the 4 assignment, so the problem have optimum solution at this level. Now first we get the optimum sequence. The first person goes for first job. The second person go for third job. The third person go for second job, and the fourth person go for fourth job. So this is the optimum sequence. Now the total costs are calculated from the initial table. The cost are given. Now from the sequence, the first person did the job 1, so the first person did the first job, the cost is 12. So we consider the cost is 12. Similarly, the second person did the third job. So second person did the third job and the cost is 9. So we take the cost is 9. The third person did the second job and the fourth person did the fourth job. So from the initial table, the third person did the job 2. So the cost is 25, and the fourth person did the fourth job. So the cost is 40. Now the sum of the cost is 50. So this is the procedure for get an optimum solution of an assignment problem. Now we discuss another example in the next lecture. Thank you.